We're back, and I did start off this morning by making what I would consider a poor decision. I hauled my skid loader, and as soon as I left the house, it started raining. Problem is, it's 21 degrees today, so we did get a nice warm up, which is nice, but look at my truck. That's ice. Unfortunately, I made the decision to just keep going. Thankfully, I made it just fine. It took me about 40 minutes when normally it'd take me 20 minutes. So I just took it easy, drove in 4-wheel drive just to hopefully add a little bit of traction. And good thing I got really good trailer brakes, so I relied on that to slow me down instead of my actual truck brakes, because I have jackknifed a trailer before. You don't want to do that. Yesterday was a super short day due to the freezing cold temperatures, the wind, so we only got that header done. We got some framing for our brick in the front. Now today, we're gonna work on this front wall. We got this house wrap done. I've got the window here cut out, so we're gonna get that installed, and then we're gonna start running steel, hopefully to get this front covered up, because tomorrow my insulators are supposed to be here. We're gonna work out in the freezing rain all day, and I think there's snow coming in, so man, we have been having some terrible weather, but that's what you get in Northern Illinois in wintertime, and we're gonna make the best of it. Today is day 10. I don't know, I'm assuming that normally we would be about to this stage on day 7. Is what I would have figured. So definitely, you know, if you're going to build in the wintertime, you have to remember to, you know, you got to set aside extra time for the project. It doesn't mean you charge your customer more. It means that you probably are going to make less. Now you can charge your customer more. Not my style. My style is that, you know, I give you a price to build a building, and you don't charge somebody more money just because you're gonna go through a harder time. I don't think that's fair. You guys might be just laughing at me right now, so definitely I would love to hear your thoughts and input, because I know a lot of you are working out in this cold weather. Do you charge more money? Should you charge more money? And if you are a client or a customer, would you expect to be charged more money for someone to come in and take a longer time due to the weather? Curious. Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, because obviously as a business person, I want to get better and do better, and I don't want to leave money on the table if the expectation is, yeah, of course you're going to charge more money in colder, crappy weather because it's going to take you longer, and you know, you don't work for free. I don't know. But anyway, let's get to work. We get this window installed, get it trimmed out. We got the overhead doors to block and trim out so we can start running this steel. I want to get this covered up.
I think I cut that up enough.
I think so.
You got a pencil?
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Scooched over. Hey, get it, brother. Where the freak at? Get one in the middle, right down here. I can pull these pencils out.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. What you need?
Hold up one end.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to be like right there.
Okay, hold it. Tell me when you like it.
Yep.
Right there. That's perfect. Take a look at the bubble. We good?
There's what it's saying.
Okay. Oh no, I just nailed my glove. Yeah, like I put the nail between my fingers. Went right through my glove.
Hey. Alright, we'll see you in a bit.
Connect, get underneath there. We're gonna come back. Big dog. Alright, man, I'm off to the next one, Greg. Nothing gonna slow me down.
Do you want the coffee light in there?
Nope.
Okay. Whatever, dude.
24 and a quarter. I mean, I don't want to. I'm not saying I wouldn't, but I'm busy. What are you doing that you're so busy?
Oh my God.
Grab the little bottom.
This will be easier.
Yes. Oh. All right, it is lunchtime. Still spitting some, ooh, that's bright. I'm still learning this camera. Been using this 80D and really enhances, I think, the quality, and I can hook up that external mic, so that's a plus. But if you look behind us, it's still a little bright. There you go. We're getting going on the steel on the end wall, so that is great because I think we got a lot of the detail work done. Garage door is about trimmed out. It's really slippery out here on this ice. I'm a little bit worried. Hopefully my wife, they got an early out for school today, so hopefully everybody is safe. I know there's been a lot of accidents this morning. Cardboard out of here, pretty please.
I think I understand what you're saying.
There you go. I can do it. I'm not strong enough, Greg.
You got it, bro. Why would you go that way?
Because the chain's in my way.
Slide it in. What? You telling me? Whoa, too much.
Just hold it there. That's all I wanted right now? You got it? Is it good out there?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Thank you. I need to go grab some shims. Got it?
Put the top.
Yeah. Greg, this ain't my first rodeo. Wow, I guess we just can't win here today, can we? Now the snow's falling pretty big, definitely adding some slippery conditions on top of that ice, but we're almost done. We got the door header all trimmed out. We got 2 more pieces up above, and then over here we got that door put in. I don't know, it's like 4 sheets of steel over there, so 6 more pieces, and that wall will be closed in. Well, we somehow managed to take all day to put that end steel up, but we're done. Greg's got a couple more screws. I just got everything picked up. It's been either raining ice or now it's snowing, and it's pretty, it's gorgeous. I mean, it really is, but makes for some difficult building conditions. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for hanging out with us for another day. But the good news is we have the exterior, other than the corner trims, we have that done. So when we come back here, we're gonna start in on the inside, which has that raised cord truss. So we're gonna have a vaulted ceiling, and should be good. All good, Greg?
Yeah.